tumeweza kujumuika hapa ili tumekata Afrika tutanyakua Republic of Congo. And this evening we read Africa, mashujaa wana asira katiba yetu Afrika.
To honor and commemorate more than 10,000 Tanzanians that have been murdered by Samia Suluhu and her accomplices. We had 1-year-old babies murdered, 13-year-olds, 14-year-olds, 15-year-olds, 50-year-olds in their homes. Some were sitting on their couch, some were inside of their gate. Police and security forces knocked down their doors, killed people in their home, took them away, beat them, murdered them in police stations. And even now, those who are dealing with and nursing bullet wounds are still being hunted down and killed because they're trying to wipe away and erase the evidence of the massacre that's happened in Tanzania. So, as well as that, media companies aren't allowed to air, none have been allowed in, internet has been shut down. People who are posting online, even somebody who posted on TikTok in Tanzania is now facing treason charges, which is a death sentence. We are here because we are African, we are East African, we care about what happens in all countries around us. We're here to unite our voices and to push back. We will be we're not only honoring those who are killed, but we're also not going to be done until we get justice and accountability.
Siku hii ya leo tumeweza kujumuika hapa ili kuweza kuwakumbuka wale ndugu zetu kule Tanzania ambao waliuawa. Na nikisema ndugu zetu, namaanisha ndugu zetu wa Afrika ambao wanaishi kule Tanzania, ambao waliweza kuuawa na serikali katili ya Samia Suluhu. Hivi leo tumeona Samia Suluhu amesema anabuni kamati ya kuchunguza wale ambao ya kuchunguza yale mauaji ambayo yalifanyika kule Tanzania. Alafu baada anasema kwamba wale waandamanaji walilipwa. Kwa hivyo ni haja gani ya kubuni tume kama unajua waandamanaji walilipwa?
And it is a warning not only to East Africa community but to the entire world that it is a time that the people's revolution should be recognized. It is the people's power that should now speak, because when we see a ruler is ruling unwisely, we can see the things that are happening, the murdering, the kind of corruption that is taking in the power corridor is what we should be shunning. We should condemn it with the high term possible.
Ni uchungu sana sisi kama Wakenya kuona wenzetu wanapoteza maisha yao kule Tanzania. Inaniuma sana mimi kama Mkenya ambaye ni Mkenya wa hapa, na nilikuwa nataka kusema kwamba ni vibaya sana wakati wa Kenya kule wanapoteza maisha yao na Bwana Rais hata uongei chochote.